Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Salesforce for lead management step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Leads option from the drop-down menu. To add a new lead, click the New button located at the top right corner of the Leads page. Fill in the required fields, such as first name, last name, and email address. Make sure to include any additional details that apply, like phone number and company name. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click the Save button. To view your existing leads, return to the Leads page. You can filter, sort, and search for leads using the tools provided at the top of the leads list. To update a lead, click on the lead's name from the list to access their details. Make any necessary changes, and then click Save to update the lead information. To convert a lead into an account, contact, or opportunity, select the Convert button in the Leads detail view. Choose the options depending on how you want to convert the lead, fill out any necessary information, and then click Convert. Once converted, you can access the new account or opportunity directly from the Salesforce dashboard. For tracking lead progress, utilize the Activity section to log calls, meetings, or tasks associated with each lead. Regularly check the status of your leads by using dashboards and reports for a comprehensive view of lead management. To enhance your lead management process, consider integrating with marketing automation tools for better lead tracking. Explore Salesforce's App Exchange for additional lead management tools that can complement your workflow. By following these steps, you will effectively manage leads within Salesforce, enhancing your sales process and productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.